Are you looking for the best book teaching Ansible for Linux? I'm going to teach you how to automate your everyday activity in your Linux administration system. So, for example, managing users, working with file system, every day align your system configuration, deploying some service, and so much more. This is the best resource because I'm teaching by example, so one by one, and I'm going to explain you every line of code that I'm writing. So there are more than 1000 lines of code ready to use. Just copy and paste from the content in your working environment. And everything is fully tested on Red Hat-like system, Debian-like system, as well also on SUSE-like system. This type of resources apply to the current Linux technology tested in 2022 and forward. So this content is available right here, right now, in these wonderful resources. Oh, let me explain more. You could extract some content, create some user, create some group, assign some group to users, and align all your fleet and stay up to date. As you could understand, you could simplify your day-to-day journey, for example, automating backup, scheduling some activities, a lot of things that nowadays you are doing manually. And one more important thing, there is also DevSecOps. This stuff is about security. You maintain up-to-date your fleet with the latest update, with rolling update automatically overnight. Is exactly what your boss is asking for? I have a solution. So keep tuned and see us inside. Can't wait. Ciao!